Hey everyone! Welcome back to Natural Health Guide. We're diving into 10 incredible benefits of watermelon, that juicy, hydrating fruit we all love. Here's why it's not just delicious, but also super good for your health. 1. Hydration hero. Watermelon is over 90% water, making it one of the best ways to stay hydrated naturally. It's refreshing and helps maintain fluid balance, perfect for hot days or after a workout. 2. Packed with nutrients. In just 1 cup of watermelon you get vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, magnesium, lycopene, and amino acids like citrulline, all with only 45 calories. 3. Supports heart health. Compounds like lycopene and citrulline help dilate blood vessels and lower blood pressure, promoting cardiovascular wellness. 4. Powerful antioxidants. Watermelon is rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, lycopene, and cucurbitacin E, which combat oxidative stress and may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 5. Muscle recovery and exercise fuel. The amino acid citrulline in watermelon can reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery after exercise, supporting nitric oxide production and circulation. 6. Aids weight management. Low in calories but high in water content, watermelon can help you feel full longer and curb sweet cravings, ideal for weight control. 7. Promotes skin and immune health. Vitamin C supports collagen production, which keeps skin firm and radiant. It also boosts immunity and helps your body fight illnesses. 8. Eye and joint support. Beta-carotene, vitamin A, and lycopene contribute to eye health and may help reduce the risk of macular degeneration. Antioxidants may also ease joint inflammation over time. 9. Digestion and gut health. With its water and fiber content, watermelon supports digestion, bowel regularity, and may help balance gut microbiota. 10. Natural energy booster. Watermelon provides natural sugars and electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, helping you fight fatigue and stay energized throughout the day. So there you have it, 10 amazing benefits of watermelon: hydration, nutrients, heart support, antioxidants, muscle recovery, weight control, skin and immune health, eye care, digestion aid, and natural energy.